Hi, this is the first of 2 videos about using Smart Meeting Pro software with your SmartBoard 7000 Pro Series interactive display. Smart Meeting Pro allows you to use all the display's features when you're in brainstorming sessions, meetings, presentations, and other kinds of collaboration sessions. To use Smart Meeting Pro on your display, connect the display and a computer that has the software installed. You can do this using the connectors on the convenience panel or the ones on the connector panel. In either case, be sure to connect the video cable and a USB cable. Next, press the Home button below the screen to show the launcher, tap Input, and then tap the thumbnail for the connected computer. In the next video, you'll learn some of Smart Meeting Pro's basic features and where to find information about advanced features.